Look at this 2011 Toyota Tundra. Carfax has certified this Tundra as having one owner. This Tundra has just under 22,500 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This vehicle gets an estimated 13 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 17 on the highway. This Tundra boasts a 4.0-liter engine, and has a 5-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, cruise control and passenger airbag. Call 954-602-0777 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.